In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the Tempestuous Mutation and grow a garden on Roblox. This mutation has a 12 times multiplier and creates cool wind particle effects around your crops. There are requirements. The requirements are triple mutation stack to get the Tempestuous Mutation. You need one single crop to have all three of these mutations at the same time. Windstruck, which is 2 times multiplier, Sandy, which is 3 times multiplier, and Twisted, which is 5 times multiplier. You need to experience these three weather events to get the required mutations. Tornado weather gives windstruck mutation, windy weather also gives windstruck mutation, sandstorm weather gives sand mutation. The twisted mutation can be obtained during various weather events. Keep your crops planted and wait for the right weather conditions. Now, this is the tricky part. You need one crop to naturally acquire all three mutations: windstruck, twisted, and sandy. When a single crop gets all three, they automatically combine into a tempestuous mutation. Looking at my garden, I don't have all the three mutations acquired in one crop. Let's just wait for the weather to struck into my garden. And that's how you get the tempestuous mutation and grow a garden. Remember, it's all about getting those three mutations on one crop.